Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is small bags. Today, they are giving us a question under differentiation of a quotient. But before I move on, let me beg to subscribe or to follow this way, share the video and like it. Now, let us move to the question given to us. Solution to the question given to us. Firstly, when you say quotient, that means it will be in a what? Fraction form. Like this, x divided by y or u divided by v. We call it what? In a form of fraction. That is, in a differentiation, if you see such a question like this that is in form of a fraction, you need to apply the quotient rule. Now, there is a formula for quotient rule which say the y over the x equal to what? V multiplied by the u over the x minus u multiplied by what? The v over the x. Now all divided by v squared. This is the formula we are going to be applying in any kind of problem under quotient rule. Now question 1. We have 2x divided by x squared plus 1. How do we determine our u? How do we determine our v? Noted, the numerator it will be our u, while the denominator is to be our v. That one is constant. Our u is a numerator, while our v it will be what? Denominator. Now, since we determine our u to be equal to 2x, while our v to be equal to x squared plus 1. Now, the u over the x now equal to what? By differentiating 2x, will be giving us what? 2. While the v over the x also equal to what? By differentiating this, differentiate x squared will be giving us what? 2x differentiate 1. This is constant. Now, from the formula, we say the y over the x equal to what? What is our v? Our v is x squared plus 1 multiplied by what? The u over the x. Our u over the x is 2 minus, what is our u? Our u is 2x multiplied by what? The v over the x is what? 2x divided by v squared. What is our v? Our v is what? X squared plus 1 all in bracket and square. Now, the y over the x now equal to what? 2. Let us use these two to multiply it. 2 times x squared be giving us what? 2x squared plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2x squared. 2x and x squared, x squared times 2 it be giving us what? 2x squared. While 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2x times 2x it be giving us what? 4x squared divided by x squared plus 1 all in bracket squared. Now, the y over the x now equal to what? Minus 2x squared minus 4x will be giving us what? Minus 2x squared, because 2x squared minus 4x squared will be giving us what? Minus 2x squared plus 2 divided by x squared plus 1 all in bracket and square. Now, I can rearrange this like this. 2 plus what? 2 minus 2x squared divided by x squared plus 1 all in bracket square. Now, the y over the x now equal to what? By factorizing 2 out. If you factorize 2, it will be giving us what? 2 open brackets 1 minus 2 and minus x squared all in bracket divided by x squared plus 1 all in bracket squared. So this is our final answer for question 1. Question 2. 4 sine 5x divided by what? x raised to power 4. How do we determine our u? How do we determine our v? I have said before that our numerator is u while our denominator is v. Now, since we determine our u to be equal to 4 sine 5x while our v to be equal to 5x raised to power 4. Now, the u all over dx now equal to what? By differentiating it, which is what? 4 multiplied by 5 cos 5x, while dv all over dx equal to what? 5 times 4 raised by x minus what? 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Now, du all over dx now equal to what? 4 times 5 is 20 cos 5x, while du and dv all over dx equal to what? 5 times 4 is 20x raised to power 3. Now, we can solve it into the formula. Let me clean this place. Which is what? Du and dy over dx equal to v multiplied by du all over dx minus u multiplied by dv all over dx, all divided by v squared. Now, dy all over dx equal to what? What is our v? Our v is what? 5x raised to power 4 multiplied by du all over dx is what? 20 cos 5x minus what is our u? Our u is what? 4 sine 5x multiplied by what? Dv all over dx is what? 20x raised to power 3 divided by what? V square. What is our v? 5x raised to power 4 all in bracket square. Now, to evaluate this, it is very simple to evaluate. Now, dy over dx equal to what? Yes, we can arrange this like this. 5x raised to power 4 times 20 is what? 5 times 20 is 100x raised to power 4 cos 5x minus 20 x cubed multiplied by 4 sine 5x divided by what? 5 raised to power square is what? 5 square is what? 25 multiplied by what? 4 times 2 is what? 8, which is what? X raised to power 8. Now, dy over dx now equal to what? 100x raised to power 4 cos 5x minus 20 times 4 is what? 80x cubed sine 5x, all divided by what? 25x raised to power 8. Also, dy all over dx now equal to what? I can factorize 20 out from this question. If I factorize 20x cubed from the numerator, let us look at it. 20x cubed, if I factorize it, 20x cubed from this place will be remain what? 5x cos 5x minus 20x cubed from this place. If we remove from 20 from 40, 20 from 80, it will be remain what? 4 x cubed at x cubed and go with this one. It will be remain what? 4 alone. 4 sine 5x all divided by what? 25x raised to power 8. Now, dy all over dx now equal to what? 5 here 4, 5 here 5, which is what 4. They also, sorry, 3x cubed divided by 8x raised to power 8 will be giving us what? This one remain 1, this one remain what? Which means what? Like this, x times x times x divided by what? How many x? 8x. X times x times x times x times x times x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which is what? X cancel x, x cancel x, x cancel x. Remain what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supposed to remain 5. Which is what? 5. Now divide over dx remain what? 4 open bracket 5x cos 5x minus 4 sin 5x all in bracket divided by what? This one remain 5x raised to power 5. Now this is the final answer for question 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video and like it and comment. See you on my next content.